Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to add Glassmorphism effect on your Shopify header section. So, on your Shopify header section. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you have designed your Shopify online store with drone theme, then this tutorials will be very helpful for you. Here I'm going to share everything in a easy way with step-by-step process that you can draw without any coding skill and without hiring any developer or any apps. So let's get started. Right now I am on my Shopify online store and I'm going to scroll down. You see, here is the Glassmorphism effect. So today we are going to add this effect. Also, I have uploaded 500 plus video relevant Shopify store design, customize and development and Shopify store SEO. So you can check out my YouTube channel to learn deeply Shopify with a easy way and in a quick time. So who don't know about me, I am Faisal, a full-time Shopify developer and SEO expert. So you can subscribe my YouTube channel to get all the update video tips and guidelines for your Shopify online store and your e-commerce business. So let's get started. As usual, I always publish article when I make any video tutorials, and in these articles I add the code snippet. So as usual, like previous all of my tutorials, I have already added or published an article in my website e-commerce. This is how to make header Glassmorphism effect on scroll in Shopify, and here is the ready code snippet, so you don't have to write any code. And now I'm going to show you the process how you can get this result or output. So first of all, you have to log in your Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then you have to click on the online store. Very simple process. And you see my theme is updated, so it's work with update theme. Then click on the customize and click on the header section. First of all, you have to make sure that your sticky header is active, so select on scroll up, otherwise it will not work. Then click on the save. Okay, so we have done our first step. Then go back, click on this three dot icon, edit code, and search header, open header.liquid file. Then go to my website. You will find this article link or tutorials link in the video description, so don't worry about that. Simply search sticky header, copy this line of code, Control F, Control, then search sticky header. So press Control F from your keyboard and Control V, sticky header. Click or press on enter. Here is the code that we are looking, header tag and int of header tag. Okay, so simply select all the code and remove. Very easy. Go back my website and copy this code, just click on here, then paste in here, Control V. Okay, click save. You have done step 2. Then scroll down, you will find the ready CSS code snippet, so click on this icon to copy the code and scroll down of the header.liquid file and simply add this code under style. So just make a big space, click on the save. Okay, and finally we are going to check our voice site. Okay, scroll down. Wow, it's working. So simple and easy. So I hope you understand how to add this effect on the header without hiring any developer, without any coding skill. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Also, if you think this information or video or resource is helpful, then don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.